I'm Sarah and I am Functional Rustic. In this week's DIY tutorial from Functional Rustic, we're going to learn how to use the reciprocating saw. All right, so let's get started. For those of you that don't know about reciprocating saws, they're awesome. And just some basic starters, you've got your battery here on the bottom. And if you've never encountered this type of battery, it can be difficult to figure out how to get it off. It's actually really easy. On either side, we've got little buttons. You just squeeze them and it pulls out. You want to put it back in, you just stick it in and it'll click. And then you've got your blade here. All right, this is what the blade looks like. And what I'm going to do is on the side of the saw, there's this piece. I fold it up. Oh, I can't see anything. Fold it up, and then I just stick this in there until it feels like it's down there secure. And then I close this up, and then just tug on it. And now I know that the blade is in there. And you officially now know how to get started. And this whole time I've had it hopefully locked, so you can't do anything. And now that it's all connected, I will unlock it. And now it's working. All right, so what I am doing today is I've got this pallet here and I want to break it down. So I'm going to be cutting right here and right here so that I'll have one board left over. So let's get started. Now, whenever you're using power tools, it's important to keep in mind safety. Safety first. So I'm going to have glasses here, and I will have work gloves on. All right. I've got Valencia Merble the dog hanging out, so she might be in the shot. Got my gloves, keep my hands safe, and make sure I can hold on to the tool. All right. All right, so what I'm going to want to do for this cut is what the reciprocating blade does is it just goes back and forth like this, but it vibrates a lot. So this pallet, the board, is going to want to shake. So I'm going to want to put some weight down on it in order to keep it from sliding around. All right. Look at that, easy. And then I want to do the same over here. And you'll notice that I'm rotating to make sure that the blade is away from me. I wouldn't want to do it like this, for instance, because if it slips, there's a good chance I'm going to get injured. Look at that. And that's how to use a reciprocating saw. Now, if you'll notice, these edges they're really jagged and they're not straight. Reciprocating saw is not for fine edges. It's just I need to get this broken down. So I'm going to rotate the pallet just so you can see the cuts from another angle. Oh my goodness. And there we go. That's how you use a reciprocating saw. See more DIY tutorials and everything else that Functional Rustic has to offer at functionalrustic.com.